Hi everybody in YouTube land. I'm just going to play a little clip for people. They don't think that you have some sort of a barrier up there. All the people that believe the earth is a ball floating in space. I have evidence on a video, and this has been verified, that there is something up there. And people should consider the possibility that this is not what we've been told for the world we exist in. What does it take? What does it take for you to release, to let go? You know Santa Claus isn't real. You know Easter Bunny isn't real. You know the Tooth Fairy isn't real. At what point are you going to let go, Ball Earth? And the same people that gave you Ball Earth gave you Jesus the man in the Bible, because those are the same villains, criminals, sinister people that created this whole shit show. Enjoy the video.
I want to say is that this thing is a literal piece of the firmament. This rock is made up of 77.17%. Notice the 3 sevens. 77.17% oxygen. And when they crushed this up to put it underneath the microscope, they could no longer see it. It lost its color. This is a real thing. This is an absolutely real thing. After returning to Europe, Petoni took the blue stone to the Institute of Natural blah, blah, blah. To his surprise, tests showed that stone was not turquoise. It wasn't even officially cataloged. The blue stone he had discovered not only does not correspond to any known mineral, but the same material was also recently located in Morocco. Do you see what's going on? The sky is falling. How's that? And they literally have imagery of it all over the place. This is the stone itself right here. And it's pretty amazing. It was found with all sorts of artifacts. And again, they tested this thing to 3,000 degrees Celsius, yet its composition wouldn't alter. It was made out of 77.1% pure oxygen, and the remaining was carbon, calcium, and another unknown element. They were eventually able to locate an organic compound that is currently unknown to science, dated at 55,000 years old. That doesn't really do very much for me. Amazingly, it seems that the sky stone is not unique. There has been, in fact, similar finds in other places on the earth, most notably Brazil. The other sample of sky stone was submitted to GRS Swiss Labs for testing, and the analysis by an anonymous dealer. Intrigued American artist and designer Jared Collins tried to buy the small cutaway, but the dealer refused to sell it. He wouldn't even name a price for a larger full stone. So these guys have literally found these stones all over the world. And look at it. It's exactly the same color as the sky. It's made out of the same color. It's made out of the same elements that we literally breathe. This is, in my opinion, the firmament. If you keep looking and keep looking and keep looking at the stars, looking at the sun, looking at the moon like I have and like I do, you really start to come to the conclusion that everything that's above us isn't what we've been told whatsoever at all. For instance, why is it that when you're standing in front of the ocean looks greenish, but when you look at it from an airplane or from a drone or a balloon, the ocean is blue? And then conversely, when you're standing on the earth and looking up, the sky also looks blue. Well, maybe I found the reason, and I'm pretty sure I did. And this literally, no pun intended, just fell out of the clear blue sky into my lap today. It's really, really strange, but I think it's a bit of proof that I, for one, have never seen before, not even in the flat earth community. So check this out.
What are we looking at? This is called silica aerogel. Well, what is aerogel? Aerogel is basically a gel form where all the liquid has been taken out of it. And what what's left is 95 to 99.98% air. So, this is something that we are beginning to be able to produce, and we are being able to copy and make all on our own. And this silica aerogel, every picture I've looked at it, when I Google it, when I look it up on YouTube, it's this color. It is the color of our sky.
Wake up, people. You think a fucking virus is gonna change things? Oh boy, you're in for a surprise. You better start waking up. You better start waking the fuck up. And anybody that leaves comments of mental illness and anything else, you're playing your hand, punk. Because all you're doing is revealing the truth even more. You better be fucking scared. Because this is the truth. And the truth only scares the filthy fucking liars. You better grab as much toilet paper as you can. Because you're going to be shitting yourself hardcore.